Hello there! Today we want to talk about the digestive system. Well, we're going to talk about the evolution and adaptation of it. We are going to focus on the digestive system of vertebrates. Is in the vertebrate digestive system. Well, one of the best examples of adaptation in the digestive system of vertebrates is teeth. We know 4 sorts of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let's first have a look at the teeth of a carnivore. As you can see, the incisors and canines are quite pointy. This helps them to rip off flesh. The premolars are pointy as well. Then if we look at a herbivore, we see a few differences. Their incisors are flattened, and so are their canines. The canines are also a lot smaller, and some herbivores don't even have them anymore. This form of teeth allows them to rip the leaves of plants. The molars and premolars have a broad, rigged surface. This is so they can grind through the plant material. Then there is a third group, the omnivores, which we are. Human adults have 32 teeth. The incisors are for biting, our canines are for ripping flesh, and our premolars and molars are for grinding. So we can see that the teeth have quite well adapted to the different kind of food the animal prefers. But what about the rest of the digestive system? Well, let's have a look at the stomach. The stomach of carnivore vertebrates has the ability to expand, especially the carnivores that don't eat often. For example, a rock python is able to ingest a whole gazelle. This is necessary, of course, if you eat only once every half year. And a 200 kilogram African lion can consume a 40 kilogram of meat in one meal. That's like a little child every single meal. Adaptation is also apparent in the length of the digestive system. Omnivores and herbivores have longer alimentary canals. This is because plant material is harder to digest. And that brings us to the cecum. As you might know, this is a rudimentary organ in us humans, but there are plenty of other animals where this organ is still very useful. But what does it exactly do? It digests the hard wall of plant cells. So, where this organ is very short in our body, a koala, for example, has a very long cecum. Evolutionary spoken, you'd expect that the cecum would long be gone from the human body. But this is not the case. This is due to the fact that a shorter cecum has a bigger chance to get inflamed, and this inflammation was lethal until a few years ago. So because of this, the cecum remains part of our organs. Another amazing adaptation is our symbiosis with bacteria. In our body live an estimated 10 to 100 trillion bacteria. This is more than we have human cells. And there are a rough 400 different species of bacteria in our digestive tract alone. But what do they do? And what is symbiosis? Well, symbiosis is like a good deal. A deal where both parties gain something. In this case, the bacteria help us digest our food and they get to feed themselves. A win-win situation, as you could say. Well, they help us digest our food. That was it. Till the next. Goodbye.